I would like to get to know.
Five video.
It's not a 5 video. My baby mad. Cause Nicki, I sent you a message and I hope you look at it. God darn
Not
it.
too much now. We gotta be able to go to the
Girl, I don't care nothing about
stuff.
that. I want you to know we were upset. We ain't do nothing for the rest of the day, and it's your fault.
I laid in the bed and cried all freaking night.
It's your fault that my wife was crying.
Lied about.
Girl, you done pissed me off.
Oh, I thought that dog was by itself. But anyway.
Shoot, it is. Well, Drake, I know that dog can't go up in there. Oh, that dog said it wants some toast. Ain't no way. But how y'all doing today? It's our last day in New Orleans. Unfortunately, I was taking home. Yeah,
they finna come out. Y'all, it was a nice trip though, even though I didn't get to do the only thing that I wanted to really do when I got here.
The main thing. We're gonna say the main thing.
Yeah, the main thing. Oh, yeah, okay.
Because you did want to go to the game. And we did it.
They leaving the dog. Oh, okay. About the same. Yeah, y'all. I mean, we still had fun doing other stuff too. But I really wanted to go because I enjoyed the game. First NBA game, like I had fun. I had fun the whole time, really. I was just real upset that, you know, girl, get that dog on. I was just real upset, you know, that they didn't give us a good amount of time to plan something else.
Yeah, they didn't announce it at a good time because the time that they announced it, we was just about to go hop back in the shower, get dressed, and get ready to go because we want to be there a little early. We want to try to get our seats, get up, get us something to drink. I was going to do a little extra for my baby because it's Nicki, if you know. It's Nicki. Like, she extra over the girl, so I was going to do a little extra while we was there, but Nicki.
Please, bring Lil Wayne with you this time, too. But y'all, we getting ready to go.
Everybody. Bring the whole Young Money. Bring them out.
All right. Y'all finna go on toast. I saw this on TikTok from, I forgot her name, Bear Cat or something on TikTok. She stay here. Anywho, y'all, so we finna go in here, try the food. Y'all know we're gonna let y'all see what we eat, because we love to eat.
Break my pockets, because she done broke them enough.
No.
Not you, Nicki.
Nicki.
Because we supposed to be gone. We wasn't supposed to be doing this right now.
Alright. All right, y'all.
I'm just saying like me. Yeah. Why don't you call and you talk to the girl? I'll share my world with you. I'll be honestly, open eyes and see you need. You could have all the space. There's no pressure. Take that time to I'll share my world with you. On me honestly,
That piece right there. Y'all, look how they giving us the directions. Look at this, y'all. Watch. It say scan the buildings. And now it's telling you the exact way to go.
Gonna keep straight.
Yep.
Alright, we
Yeah, I
can
see
go
this.
right now. Okay. Come
Yes,
on,
we
bro.
can. Yeah, look at it. This tight. It's smart too.
It's better than what it was. Like you said, you did. It's like a chicken going. You go over there.
Oh, it's cold.
She's trying to see it. Go piss me off. Give me this.
Here you go.
Give me this.
Okay. This way.
Let them folks on that part.
St. Charles Avenue.
See how we had to recover for Nicki canceling on this. So we had to come back and, you know what I'm saying, do something. We had to.
Y'all, I look so cute if I got me some bangs again. I ain't gonna do it though. I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to cut my hair. Not for no bangs. But, so, this is something me and Oz have been talking about lately. Like, how do y'all feel about store times? How would y'all feel about them?
Hold up.
I ain't going. Somebody yelling. I know how to watch the traffic. I know how to go now. Y'all feel like it's certain stuff that's off limits? We gotta go this way, baby. Y'all feel like it's certain stuff that should be off limits when y'all doing store times?
Like your story.
Like,
You feel like your certain stuff should be off limits.
even though you change people's names, because a lot of times people know, like, oh yeah, they talking about me because I remember this situation or something. So would y'all still do it or would y'all not do it? We need to know, because we got some store times.
Well, we got.
But we really trying to spare people's feelings. I don't know why when they spare ours, but you know, we still trying to. We ain't like that, y'all. That's the only way to put this.
Yeah, like we really are some nice people, despite what people think.
Yeah.
We're really, really nice. Get the charm away.
Okay.
Get the charm.
All right.
You can't even see me. It's all that is be on you. I'm just saying to me, yeah. Why don't you call and you talk to the girl? I'll share my world with you. You want to take some time. I'll be honestly, always honestly. You need you could have all the space. There's no pressure, baby. You got time to
working, going hard, going hard in the lab. So you are important. You're important.
Yeah, important.
Alright, man. So right.
Well, I'll tell you, this rum makes it. The Myers rum is single barrel, which is very good. That's your regular rum.
Taking trips, come back and wake me anytime. And then one late night, makes me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Play come back over and over again. Expect to change, but I know this the end. Got tired of you, shit, you almost your mind. Don't say your name. You'll continue to try to play this game.